We work hard all year. This is the proof that the hard work, the dedication we do for access to education is worth it. Listening to the student speaker, watching the faces of the families when they see their students graduate. I mean, if you see the emotions on these students' faces, many of them graduating their families for the first time, you cannot put like a price tag or emotion on that. This is why we do what we do. Most of you did not do this the easy way. For many, there was no residential life experience, no 4 years of being 20 and figuring it out while your parents wrote the check. But for most of you, this degree got earned at 5 a.m. before the kids woke up. This degree was earned after 11 p.m., after your shift ended. Or in a parking lot outside a job site, because that was the only place they could get Wi-Fi before the midnight deadline for their DQ was due. Some of you wrote papers while in deployment. Some of you wrote them after putting a parent to bed who used to put you to bed. And the only reason they pushed through was because of a person in their life. When somebody asks, how did the work get done? The answer is going to be simple. A few thousand of us decided to simply do it, and we just kept showing up. Congratulations.